masdan, ligaya'y tila bang walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan din ay luluha. Di ka na maninindig pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Lahat ibibigay, lahat gagawin mo, ganyang lagi ikaw sa anak mo. Lahat ng buti niya ang laging hangad mo, patawad ay lagi sa puso mo. Walang inang matitiis ang isang anak, ika'y dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo, ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo, ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo, ang himig at titik ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ika'y nag-iisa, ikaw lang sa mundo, ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo.
Mula nang isilang at nagkamalay, ikaw aking inay, ang aking gabay sa landas ng buhay, sa aking pagtulog nagbabantay. Kapag lumuluha ang mahal mong sanggol, ika'y dumaramay. At kung mayroong karamdaman, inay, ikaw ay luhaan. Ang iyong gagawin ay hindi malaman sa anak mong mahal. Pag may lamok bubugawin, masuyo mong hapusin. Sa buong magdamag, sa lamig ng hangin, ako'y yayakap.
This song is from Wilbert's Hard to Find Music Library.
Ang isang asawa, mga kasintahan, kay daling hanapin sa balat ng lupa ay matatagpuan. Ngunit ang isang ina, pag pumanaw upang makita mo'y muli kang isilang. Dakila ka inay ko sa akin, uliran at dapat mahalin. Pag ika'y nawalay sa aking piling, ano ang gagawin? Ang yaman ay di kailangan kung wala ka, o aking inay. Sa mundong ibabaw, wala kang kapantay. dakila ka,
I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just show up and bring the news that she's getting older. And I wish that you met her, the things that you learned from me, I got them all from you. Can I just stay a while and we'll put all the world to rights? The little ones will grow and I'll still drink your favorite wine. And soon they're going to close, but I'll see you another day. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, so I could just swing by and ask your advice. What would you do in my situation? I haven't a clue how I'd even raise them. What would you do? 'Cause you always do what's right. And we just took a while until my worries disappear. I'll tell you that I'm scared of turning out a failure. You'd say, remember that the answer's in the love that we create. So much has changed since you've been away. I wish that heaven had visiting hours, and I would ask them if I could take you home. But I know what they'd say, that it's for the best. So I will live life the way you taught me and make it on my own. I will close the door, but I will open up my heart, and everyone I love will know exactly who you are. 'Cause this is not goodbye, it is just till we meet again. So much has changed since you've been away.
Lead me, Lord, lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me, walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. my days, all my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light, I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord. Lead me, Lord. Even though at times I'd rather go alone my way, help me take the right direction, take your road. Lead me, Lord, and never leave my side. All my days, all my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light, I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. You are my light, you're the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. I just cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life, all through my days. So lead me, oh Lord. Lead me.
If a picture paints 1,000 words, then why can't I paint you? The words will never show the you I've come to know. If a face could launch 1,000 ships, then where am I to go? There's no one home but you. You're all that's left me to. And when my love for life is running dry, you come and pour yourself on me. If a man could be 2 places at one time, I'd be with you tomorrow and today, beside you all the way. If the world should stop with all things spinning slowly down to die, I'd spend the end with you. And when the world was through, then one by one the stars would all go out. Then you and I would simply Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Natatandaan mo pa ba nang tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan, sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman, doon tayo nagsimula mangarap magtulak. Natatandaan mo pa ba inukit kong puso sa punong mangga, at ang inalay kong gumamela, magkahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang gunita ng ating kahapon. Ang mga puno't halaman ay kabiyak ng ating gunita, sa paglipas ng panahon. Bakit kailangan ding lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Ngayong ikaw ay nagbalik, tulad ko rin ang iyong pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan nahanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman. Bakit kailangan lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gunita, ang mga puno't halaman. Bakit kailangan lumisan? Panapanahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik bang kahapon?
ikaw ay ang lupang sinusuyo ng bituin. Di mo man siling ang langit, di mo man siling, ito'y nandirito pa rin. Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, itong paglalakbay ay makakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa iyong paglisan, ang tanging pabaon ko ay pag-ibig. Sa pagbuhos ng ulan, sa haplos ng hangin, alaala mo ay nakauki sa pisngi ng langit.
Di man umihip ang hangin, di man umihip, ika'y nandirito pa rin.
Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, itong paglalakbay ay makakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa iyong paglisan, ang tanging pabaon ko ay pag-ibig. Ay pag-ibig. Ay pag-ibig.
Would you hold my hand if I saw you in heaven? Would you help me stand if I saw you in heaven?
Ay, gaganda pa diya? O, dito na.
Sarap yun na Hamel.
Hindi ko tikman pa tayo.
I just can't stay.
Matamay? Ay, malamig.
Sarap.
Time can bring it down. Time can bend Time can break the heart of your begging please, begging beyond the door. There's peace, I'm sure, and I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Would you be the same if I saw you